This is Tim Lipsey, System Vice President, Environmental Services for CommonSpirit Health. I would like to thank you for joining us for the Equip training series. Education and demonstration are key elements of being a professional environmental services technician. We say hello to human kindness by providing a clean, safe environment as we help save lives. It is our contribution to the healing ministry. It's the CommonSpirit way.
Hello, and welcome to the Standard Work Operating Procedures 3-Tier Cleaning Validation. In this video, we will review ATP, or adenosine triphosphate. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, or CDC, has encouraged hospitals to develop an environmental cleaning and monitoring program to optimize the cleaning of high-touch surfaces at terminal cleaning, as well as ensure quality control and improvement. Our ATP monitoring system provides real-time feedback on cleaning efficacy. We assess effectiveness of training and competency protocols by highlighting both successes and improvement opportunities. Sufficient data must be collected on a routine basis. Areas chosen for audit should represent day-to-day variation in cleaning procedures, as well as include the cleaning efforts of all environmental services staff members. Because of the high risk of pathogen transmission, high-touch surfaces should be selected for auditing. The 3M Clean Trace ATP monitoring system recommends the following pass-fail thresholds for all test points. A pass would be 250 relative light units, or RLUs, or under, and fail would be a score of 251 RLUs or higher. Each surface should have received a complete and thorough cleaning and disinfection prior to the ATP test being performed. The 3M Quality Control Data Manager provides an intuitive dashboard for quick visual snapshots of cleaning performance and powerful reporting options to manage and communicate results. Routinely audit terminally clean patient room surfaces. These may include areas such as tray table, the call box and call button, the room inner doorknob, the toilet flush handle, bed rails, and controls. Additional high-touch items that may be appropriate for monitoring include mobile blood pressure cuffs, IV pump control, the toilet seat, the bathroom handrails by the toilet flush handle, and the telephone.